Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana Felicia. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that when I upload a new video, you can be notified. So today we are doing something totally different. I've never done this. I've never done reviews. So I have this package from Jumia. I purchased some skincare products and I want to try them out. I'm not sure how they work, but we'll try and see. So I tried it. So what inspired me? Why did I buy this skincare product is I went for the rugby game over the weekend, and Garnier were part of the sponsors there, and I tried their sunscreen. It was perfect. It was perfect, guys. So I got this package. I don't know if you can be able to see it. So this is the package that I bought. I ordered from Garnier East Africa. It's the Glow Pack package. Now to start with it, we have this cleansing, vitamin C cleansing foam. Yeah. Then next to it we have, I don't know how to use them, but I guess I'll just have to Google it. This is vitamin C water gel. Yeah, even and bright. This one was even and matte. Then we have the even and matte vitamin C booster serum. We have this booster serum. Then lastly we have this
so we're going to try this out. So I'm starting with the vitamin C cleansing foam. This is a lot though. Ensure your face is damp. I'm not sure if you can be able to see, but I'm just, let's see. It has a nice paste. Forms nicely, so you just want to like rub it. This side. Now mixing it up, it has giving up some nice form. And it also smells nice. Oopsie. So this is what we have used the cleansing for. So I've already washed my face and feeling nice. Once your face is a little bit damp, not that dry, I'm now going in with vitamin C. Oh, I don't know if you can be able to see. Yeah, the Booster Serum. This is what I'm using. I'm looking this side because the mirror is this side, guys. So I didn't. Yeah, just a small amount. You ensure it has entered. So it's coming through. So we have finished with this. Next it's the water gel. This is the moisturizer we are going to use now. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's a small tin. Smells nice also. Just going to put it. I think this is how it looks, like a gel, because yeah, it's gel. Remember, this is the glow pack sort of trying out. So this is day one. I love the way it sits on the skin. Yeah, not feeling funny-ish. we go this. Yeah. Let's use it and see. So it is. This is how I usually apply my sunscreen. Just put 3. And it's invisible, so it doesn't leave the white cast. Is it me, or I'm feeling like we have already started glowing? Everyone, just want to apply it nicely on the face. What do you feel? Yeah, and it smells nice. I don't know, do you people have this tendency of smelling the things you're applying? Let me just camera, you see the mess. Okay. So we have started with this vitamin C cleansing foam. Then we went with this, the Booster Serum. Then we use this, the water gel. Then this on my face. I love how it balances on my face. I'm not applied on my neck the sunscreen, so here we need to do that. We need to do that. To apply sunscreen nicely. I love it. I love it. And since I guess today is just we're doing yellow things. Today we are doing yellow things. I'm going in with my Vaseline for the lips. Yeah. Never miss your lips too. So that one I've used this, the Vaseline. But that's it from me, and I'll be giving you, okay, you'll be seeing my face when I'm doing the videos, so we'll track the progress with you. Yeah. So that's it for today. Yeah, that's it for today. Oh. let me first remove this so that I can take a picture of what I've used right now for you. So let's see. This is what I've used. See, and I went in with this. Okay, focus. The Booster Serum. Then this. Then this. Yeah, that's me. So I guess that's it from my side. Yeah.